Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fiya Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is real life situations involving subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real life number stories of subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Well, my dear students, as you already know that how to do subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Here we are going to solve examples, but these examples will be taken from real life situations. As you already know that the subtraction keywords, here it is. I'm just going to recall it for you guys. The subtraction keywords means that these words will be there in the real life situations, which will tell you that this is subtraction word problem. Now these words are how many more, decrease, less than, take away, minus, difference, left, remains. ER words means that larger, fewer, longer, faster, subtract, how much more. These words will tell you that this is a subtraction real life situation. Now I'm going to tell you the steps to solve the word problem. These steps are cubers. Okay, do remember these steps according to this word, which is cubers. This is C. C stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underline the keywords. B stands for box the question. E stands for evaluate the operation. R stands for rephrase the statements. S stands for solve in steps. Now, I'm going to solve an example for you guys so that you will have practice on it. Check on your screen. Here is the example. Rehan had 840 rupees. He spent rupees 530. How many rupees are left with him? Now, my dear students, according to Kuber's method of solving the word problem or real life situation, I have to do one thing, which is Kuber's stands for, C stands for, you remember it. Yes, circle the numbers. So I'm going to circle the number 840 and 530. Next is underline the keywords. Keywords over here are Rehan, rupees, left. These are the keywords. One more keyword is here, that is spent. Okay, do remember that because this will help you in rephrasing the statements. Okay, now what is the next? Yes, the next is B, box the question. I will box the question starting from how many rupees are left with him. Okay, now what is the next? E, evaluate the operation. So here in the box question, you can see that the word is left, which is there in the subtraction keywords, if you remember. So this means that we are going to do subtraction. So here I am going to do the next step, which is rephrase the statements, which is R stands for rephrase the statements. So I'm going to rephrase the statements from the question. Okay, from the whole question, or you can say the complete word problem or real life situation. Then the next step will be S, which stands for S means that solving steps. So I am going to solve this word problem steps by step. So we are going to decide that because rupees means money. So we are going to write here Rehan had money is equals to RS dot stands for rupees. So I will write rupees RS dot 840. Now my second statement will be taken from the second sentence. He is saying that he spent rupees 530. Means that I will write very easily. He spent what? Money. So I will write he spent money is equals to rupees 530. Now I will write a subtraction sign because I have evaluated that this is a subtraction problem from the word left. Okay, now I will draw a straight line and I am going to draw what? I am going to write down the third statement, which I will take from the question statement. There it is. How many rupees are left with him? So I will write it down as money left with him is equals to, yes, RS dot I will take as it is, but I need to do subtraction now. For that sake, I need to check that the first digit, ones digit, is equals to the second digit. Means that 0 minus 0, you already know that is 0. Okay, because we have not taken anything subtraction, we have not subtracted anything. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Now the second step is subtracting tens. Means that we are having 4 minus 3. 4 is bigger number and 3 is a smaller number. So I can do subtraction easily. That is subtraction without borrowing. Means that we are going to draw 4 lines and then we are going to cut how many lines? 3 lines from it. So I will have how many lines remaining? 1 line remaining. So I will write the number 1 here at tens place. Now the third step is what? Subtract hundreds. So I'm going to subtract 100. I will draw 8 lines and then subtract or cut how many lines? 5 lines from it. How many lines remaining? Yes, count 1, 2, 3 lines remaining. So I'm going to write the number 3 over here and I have my complete answer, which is rupees 310. So my final ending statement is missing, which is really very important. So I'm going to write it down like what? I will write the statement from the question. I will write rupees 310 are left with him. You can check from the question statement. I have done one thing. Just cut how many? Yes, and write rupees 310. Rupees 310. The remaining sentence will be same. Yes, that is from the question statement. What I will write? Rupees 310 are left with him. Full stop. Means that this is my final ending statement. Hope the whole process, the whole solution is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.